Hello, let's talk about energy. Energy can come in lots of different forms, and being able to identify different types of energy is an extremely useful skill. Let's go through what a few of them are. Thermal energy is a different word for heat. The hotter an object is, the more thermal energy it will have. Gravitational potential energy will increase as something gets higher up. You can think of it as being the potential of an object to fall. Kinetic energy is what we call movement energy. The faster something is moving, the more kinetic energy it has. Chemical energy is in fuels. That includes things like petrol for cars, food for us, batteries, and even glucose inside our muscles. Electrostatic energy is in any object that has charge. So, for example, electrons. If you rub a balloon on your head, it will transfer electrons from the balloon to your hair, and that causes your hair to stand on end. You can also talk about electrical transfers of energy, which is where electrons move around a circuit. Elastic potential energy is in anything that has been stretched or squashed. So, for example, if you stretch a spring, or when a rubber ball hits the floor, it will squash slightly. Nuclear energy is in the nucleus of atoms, and this is only really relevant in two situations. One, nuclear power stations, and two, in the cores of stars. That's how stars generate their energy. And magnetic energy is in, you guessed it, magnets. Now, if you're doing the AQA GCSE, the things that I've listed so far are all the types of energy stores. There are also 4 different energy pathways along which energy can be transferred. So let's go through those 4 now quickly. There's mechanical energy pathways, which is anywhere moving parts are involved. Think the gears of a bike, or even a sound wave where the particles of the air are moving to transfer the energy. Electrical energy transfers, which we already mentioned. Light and other types of electromagnetic radiation. And finally, heating. Thermal energy can be transferred by conduction or convection. I personally think that categorizing energy into stores and pathways is a little bit silly, and AQA, if you're listening, please get in touch with me. I'd love to have a chat about it. I know quite a lot of physicists, and out of all of them, none of us think this makes any sense at all. But there you go, those are the types of energy. I hope you found it interesting, and next time we're going to discuss in a bit more depth the energy transfers. Thanks for watching.